Elephants can remember. Elephants can remember. Parker Pyne investigates. 3 blind mice and other stories. The clocks. The 13 problems. Poirot's early cases. Poirot's early cases. The Mysterious Mr Quin. The Mysterious Mr Quin. They do it with mirrors. They do it with mirrors. By the pricking of my thumbs. By the pricking of my thumbs. Third girl. Taken at the flood. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Murder in the Mews. Rubicon. A pocket full of rye. The Secret Adversary. The Secret Adversary. The Mousetrap. Subjects: popular literature. The Adventure of the Christmas Pudding. The Adventure of the Christmas Pudding. Hallowe'en Party. Genres: book, crime fiction, original language, English language. Nemesis. Subjects: police procedural, England. Genres: book, crime fiction, suspense, children's literature, mystery, fiction, original language, English language. The Mystery of the Blue Train. The Mystery of the Blue Train. N/M. N/M. Partners in crime. Partners in crime. Sparkling cyanide. Sparkling cyanide. Dead man's folly. Subjects: popular literature. Genres: book, crime fiction, original language, English language. The man in the brown suit. Subjects: popular literature, literary, classics. Genres: book, crime fiction, suspense, children's literature, biography, mystery, original language, English language. Mrs. McGinty's dead. Mrs. McGinty's dead. Towards zero. Subjects: police procedural, drama, police, English. Genres: book, crime fiction, suspense, mystery, fiction, original language, English language. The Pale Horse. The mirror cracked from side to side. Cat among the pigeons. Cat among the pigeons. Why didn't they ask Evans? The Secret of Chimneys. The Hollow. Hickory Dickory Dock. The Sittaford Mystery. The Sittaford Mystery. Death comes as the end. 3-act tragedy. Sleeping murder. Murder is easy. A Caribbean mystery. Death in the clouds. Lord Edgware dies. Appointment with death. The body in the library. Subjects: England genres book, crime fiction, suspense, cozy mystery, fiction, original language, English language. Hercule Poirot's Christmas. Genres book, crime fiction, original language, English language. Sad Cypress. First published 1943. Subjects: popular literature, England genres book, crime fiction, suspense, children's literature, mystery, fiction, original language, English language. The Moving Finger. Genres book, crime fiction, cozy mystery, original language, English language. Endless Night. Endless Night. The Murder on the Links. The Murder on the Links. After the Funeral. After the Funeral. Curtain. Gyllenhaal. 50 from Paddington. 50 from Paddington. The Mysterious Affair at Styles. The Mysterious Affair at Styles. Cards on the Table. Subjects: music, popular literature, England genres book, crime fiction, suspense, mystery, fiction, original language, English language. Crooked House. Subjects: classics, genres book, crime fiction, suspense, children's literature, mystery, fiction, original language, English language. The Murder at the Vicarage. Subjects: music, popular literature, 20th century, England genres book, crime fiction, suspense, cozy mystery, fiction, original language, English language. Parallel and House. Evil Under the Sun. Evil Under the Sun. A murder is announced. A murder is announced. 5 Little Pigs. Subjects: literary, mystery, England genres book, crime fiction, suspense, mystery, fiction, original language, English language. The A. Murders. First published 1936. 1/6. Subjects: classics, England genres book, crime fiction, mystery, fiction, original language, English language. Death on the Nile. Murder on the Orient Express. Murder on the Orient Express. The murder of Roger Ackroyd. The murder of Roger Ackroyd. And then there were none. And then there were none.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.